Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In this video we will learn what is the use of when keyword in Kotlin. Everybody heard of switch keyword in Java. So switch and when are very similar. Switch is in Java and when is in Kotlin. And this is just a conditional operator which can handle multiple conditions on a single variable. So if there are so many conditions on a single variable, then it will be very difficult to use if else cases. And we can use when keyword very easily. Let's see one simple example. Let's declare a variable integer number. Let's assign it to 3. So we need a condition such a way that if the number is 1, we need to print this is the number 1. If number is 2, we need to print this is the number 2. If number is 3, we need to print this is the number 3. If number is not 1, 2, 3, then we need to print this number is other. So let's try and do using when keyword. Just write when, and in this just pass number. And what we need to do, if the number is 1, then print this number is 1. So this is the condition which satisfies, and this is the implementation. Here we have only one statement. If we have multiple implementation, we can surrounded it by curly braces. If there is only one statement, we no need to put curly braces. And if the number is 2, then we need to do other implementation like this number is 2. Like the same way, if it is 3, we will print this number is 3. If the number is not 1, 2, 3, then we need to have a default implementation. That is, we can use just else. This is else implementation. So let's try and execute this program. We need to get the output as this number is 3, because when condition satisfies 3, as we have assigned 3 to number. So as you can see, this number is 3. So here in when condition, we can use any expression, not only the integer, any data type, anything, any custom class also we can use, and we can check the condition. And there is one more advantage in when condition. Suppose we need to satisfy two conditions. If the number is 1 or 2, then we need to do some implementation. Let's say if the number is 1 or 2, anything, we need to print this number is 1 or 2. But how to keep that condition here? Just have a number condition with separated comma, and we can remove this. So in this case, if the number is 1 or 2, we will get this output. If the number is 3, we will get this output, else we will get this output. Let's assign it to 2 and run the program. We need to get the first line as output. So as you can see, this number is 1 or 2. Let's assign this number to 5, which doesn't satisfy this, then we will get this output. Let's try and execute the program. So this is else implementation. So this is the main advantage of when conditional operator in Kotlin, and it is very advantageous to use when we have so many conditional operations on a single variable, and we can use any number of any data type here, not only the integer. I hope you like this video and understood what is when conditional operator. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.